Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I did very simple cut crease eye makeup look. If you're interested to know how I created this look, so please keep on watching. So first I always start with my eyes. So I'm applying the Swiss Beauty concealer. Then I'm setting the concealer with this nudish skin color shade. So first I'm taking this dark brown shade and applying it only on my crease area as shown in the video. And blending it out further. Then I'm gonna be taking a black shade and smudging it only on my crease. And blending that out with the same brown shade. Now I'm cutting the crease, so I'm just opening my eye and finding out where is my crease. I'm using the same Swiss Beauty concealer here. Then taking the same nude skin color shade and patting the concealer out. Then I'm going to be taking these two champagne brown shade. I'm mixing those two and applying it. Then I did a very thin eyeliner. Of course it's not thin, but it is thin kind of. Then I'm removing all the excess fallout from my face. Then I'm applying the primer from Stay Quirky. Applying it all over my face, T-zone. Okay, so this is a new makeup routine which I follow these days. And I'm in love with it. So I'm applying a red liquid lipstick first. Then I'm gonna be applying the same Swiss Beauty concealer. This concealer is actually amazing, guys. Then blending that out. Then for foundation, I'm using this foundation by Color Bar. And applying it only on the areas where I applied red lipstick. For mascara, I'm gonna be using the Curl and Swill mascara. Then for lips, I'm doing something different. I'm lining my lips first with a brown lip liner. Then I'm applying this lipstick from Huda Beauty. This is a liquid lipstick. So that's it for the makeup look, guys. So guys, about my dress, this dress is from Amoli Clothing. It's an Instagram store. You can use my coupon code, I'll give it on the screen. You will get 30% off on your purchase. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.